Are those brackets like welded? What's the plan? Angle grinder?
Yeah.
I don't know. Alrighty. So we've just got into Caden's. Got the pulley there. We're finally taking the patrol in the Barra to Dale's house. Sorry boys, we're on a bit of a solo mission today. So here's the Barra in question. So we've recorded doing the internals. Didn't do any voiceover or anything because it's not actually important, you know. Every man and their dog has done one. It's not built bottom end. It's got valve springs, 1000cc injectors. Fuck, what else? Oil pump gears, multi-layer, head gasket, head studs. I actually can't remember what else I did. Got this cheap Chinese 3582. It was on an FG and it ran 415. Beanie, nothing crazy. We did an alternator and power steering relocation kit. So now the power steering's down there. Alternator's back up here. Do have to put on harmonic balancer. But yeah, high mount, forward facing plenum. So yeah. I'm waiting for Dale's response. Alrighty, so let's grab this shit out of the car. Fortunately, you guys can't actually see much. We do. I've got to tidy up all my tools. To be honest, I don't think we're going to be taking the motor tonight. Or the gearbox, wherever the fuck that is. Alrighty guys, so we have pretty much gotten rid of everything we can. So including like tools, rah. So we've moved all this stuff. So I'll quickly show you what the Patrol's looking like right now. It is absolutely jam-packed. The front seat. Back is looking questionable. Full to the brim. Anything I do forget, we'll grab when we get the motor. So yeah, I think I've got most things. We'll go start her up. Alrighty, so we're in the Patrol. This thing's got pretty bad glow plugs from memory, so you've just got to warm it up. Let's give it a shot. Jesus Christ. I'm hoping to respray the chassis while I'm at it, which is pretty ugly. Holy fuck, that motor sounds bad. Well, sounds like a fucking diesel. We'll no longer have that issue though. This fucking bad boy. Alrighty boys, so Dale said we're not going to be taking the motor, not for a bit, because we've got to do so much to the chassis. Yeah, so pretty much we've got a fair bit to do to the chassis. We've still got to pull out, obviously, the motor box, transfer case, etc. Yeah, hopefully it's not too long until we get started on it. We both honestly have fuck all times in the Arvos, and so yeah, I don't know how long this will take. So yeah, I think we head off, head to Dale's, yeah, hit the road. This feels so surreal, boys. Finally going to Dale's. It feels like it's been fucking forever, but we're going. So we've had the Patrol at Dale's for about a week. We've done progress, but so yeah, I don't really have time in the afternoons to come over and do any work. So pretty unfortunate. So I have weekends on this. Hoping to have gearbox out by tomorrow, which is Sunday. But yeah, fingers crossed. But we'll see how it goes. Is it getting stuck on the exhaust? Yeah.
Is it? Did you undo the exhaust?
Yeah. See how the studs are still in it though?
Wait, what?
From the turbo.
Oh, you haven't actually separated that yet. Okay. Yeah, hang on. We need to put a bar in there and go like... So that...
Pry it?
Yeah.
Pump up that jam. Pump it up.
Oh, there we go. The no return now, mate.
Oh, we're leaking.
Yeah, it's all good. It'll just be all the coolant because the thing's got air in it now, pumping it all out. Just got this. Oh, is any of that attached or what? Why is it stuck there? Oh, is there still a bracket there?
Are those brackets like welded? What's the plan? Angle grinder?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't need to put your hands under the damn thing just in case. I don't want to have to take you to the ER with a hand that's flopped back the wrong way. Jeez, that's a tiny motor for a 6-cylinder.
Let's see how much power it puts out.
Yeah.
Ew, cunt. Look at this sump. Now we got to try pull the dog.
Yeah. Okay, dog. Which is that, mate? Look at that.
Not bad.
Only 99% more to go.